Oh wait, is that already?
All right, me and my partner Skylar, we're gonna be shooting for pink slips. He's got a, I mean, it's not that expensive. It's a Staccato, okay, pretty nice pistol. I've got this, I think it's called an FMK. Got really nice, maybe a 14 round magazine right here. We're gonna shoot for pink slips. All right, it's gonna be just a regular old qualification course, 50 rounds. Whoever has the better target gets the other person's gun. It's pretty bad because this one ain't even mine. So, but if he wins,
Oh well, all
I don't
right.
know.
That's the way the cards fall.
A Staccato.
All right. All right, dude. Pretty nice magazine right here. FMK two-tone. Woo! Here we go. Oh yeah. My holster doesn't quite fit. All right.
So you 4 rounds, 6 seconds.
Okay, it's not.
Hold on, let me take.
As long as you get the rounds off in 6 seconds, it's not
You want
who
me to do
finishes faster.
Let me put it on delay. Stand by.
I only have one magazine. He has a bunch of magazines. I'm gonna have to continually reload, but it's gonna be done. Okay, I got 2 in 1. That's 2 in 1 in that dude.
I messed up. I forgot I have a safety on this. Okay, stand by.
Alright,
One more time.
do it again.
4 rounds, 6 seconds. Stand by.
I'll tell you this FMK is really working well right now. All right. Now this next one's gonna have to be modified a little bit because I only have 1 magazine. I mean, fine firearms only sometimes come with 1 mag. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna do one-handed shooting. He's gonna shoot 5 and reload and shoot 5 with his support hand. I'm gonna shoot 5 and just transition over.
All right.
This holster's a little large for.
Gotta put this on.
We're gonna have 30 seconds for this.
All right. 30 seconds. 5 rounds. Reload. 5 rounds. Who ready? Stand by. Oh.
I want to let you know that I was much faster.
You were.
Because I didn't reload. We're gonna fire 8 rounds.
8 rounds.
We got 20 seconds. We got a lot of time. So. Right now,
Target's looking pretty good. Chance.
hey, this FMK is running pretty good right now. This FM,
It's like the Glock of high points.
maybe.
8 rounds, 20 seconds. Who's ready? Stand by. That one was ugly.
Oh, dude! All I've got to do, folks. All I've got to do is put them all in the square. Be walking home with the Staccato P. Woo!
All right.
Now, I will say that he did beat me on the time, but you just have to have them off within 20 seconds.
All right. 3.
The pressure's
reload,
on
3.
me now.
3 reload 3.
Oh, there's no reload on mine. I'm sorry about that. I don't know how to throw in a reload. Maybe I can take the magazine out and put it back in.
That'll work.
You know?
You gotta drop it, catch it, put it back in.
Okay. We'll do that.
3 reload 3.
We'll say I've shot this pistol another time and I had a few jams. Maybe it needed a break-in period. Oh, it pinched me, I know that. Pinched me. Little grip. Okay.
Alright. Who's ready? Stand by. Another ugly one there.
You threw another one out?
Yeah.
I'm taking home a Staccato.
All right, 8 rounds, 20 seconds.
Okay, hold on. This takes a little bit. What would SpongeBob say?
2 hours later.
2 hours later.
Get in here close and see the actual workings of this fine FMK. You got to watch that pinky. It'll right here kind of give me a blood blister, possibly.
That's because you
Okay.
have adult-sized
All right,
hands.
20 seconds. Stand by.
Boy, he's a lot faster off.
Real ugly.
FMK, baby.
Right,
Okay,
6
so
rounds.
this is the last thing. It's 6 rounds, 15 yards. Not very hard, but you know, we'll see what happens.
Stand by. Great.
Don't try to catch your magazines, folks. That is a bad habit. Just let that dude go. Let it go, baby. Let's get that other one in there. Boom.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go up here real close to that.
2.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
a
you
lot.
got yourself a Staccato.
Oh, his face.
Yeah, let's put it. Here you go. All right. Hey, good work.
Oh, yeah.
You want to trade? Okay, here you can have the FMK. It's a good one, dude. I mean, look at that target. There we go, I'll take that.
There you go.
How many of the FMKs can you buy for one Staccato? About a dozen?
Yeah.
All right, so the true test is the FMK at about 90 yards. That's how it's done, folks. FMK, 90 yards, 9mm. That's quality. All right, I got some real quality in your hand right there. Hold on, guys. Let me get one shot.
Stop while I'm 3 for 3.
Yeah.
I feel good about myself for a minute.
That's a little off.
Where was
Just
it at?
a little about 5 feet to the right.
Telephone pole?
Dude, I'm like pulling and pulling
It's
and
a good.
pulling.
That's a
and
pretty
pulling.
nice trigger, no?
I was like, it's got to drop at some point. There, nope, still not it. Oh, there it is.
What we've got here is the FMK pistol. This is the G3 model. It's a pretty basic handgun. You know, when I first started dealing with this pistol outside, had a few jams. I think there must have been a break-in period because it hasn't jammed lately. I think it's working okay. FMK, not the best, but it's okay.